Hello everyone, this is part 4 ASP.NET series lectures. In this video we'll learn how we can use the validations. First we'll see the demo, how the validations are working. So after entering the page, if I click onto this button, so two options are appear. These are the validations, the restriction on the page. So data can't be transferred or data cannot be saved until the requirement is fulfilled. So we have to enter the data into the text box. So according to the requirement, now you can see options are disappear. So data will be stored. So data is displayed in the labels. So we'll do in a separate page. We'll design the page. That's very easy. So I already have done this in previous lectures. So I have assigned the text boxes, label 1, 2 and text boxes. Now we'll use the validations. So validations are there in the validation options. So we'll use required field validator. So here, go into the properties of the validator. You can give any error message. I'm going to give here, instead of star, enter data or enter name, the 4 color red, and the control to validate to text box 1. So this validator will be assigned to the text box 1. For the, we can copy paste and go back again to the properties, and here we'll give the star message. Color is red, so we can control this validate to the text box 2. Alright, so now we in browser, if we click onto this button, so these two options will be appear, enter name and then star. It means the option for the both text boxes are same. We have to enter the data, otherwise data will not be stored into the database. We'll do also coding. I have done the code already. This code will be available in the description of the video. So link for the drive will be available. So we can, I already have done this code. So you can see here the label 1, this will gets data from text box 1, label 2, this will gets the data from text box 2, and then these will be, text boxes will be empty after entering the data. Enter name, then address. So you can see here no any restrictions are anymore because we have entered the data into the text box. Thanks guys, thanks for listening. That's for today. Have a good day. See you next lecture. Bye bye.